In this video, I'm going to be teaching you an ICT trading strategy which nobody has talked about before. However, ICT has acknowledged this strategy right here himself. Nobody on YouTube has talked about this before. It's a very hidden strategy which professional ICT traders would like to keep to themselves. And this one right here will make you profitable. I guarantee you this, okay, right here. Because of 10,000 subscribers, I'm finally releasing this strategy right here. And this is the strategy right here, which is all you need in order to finally reach profitability in under a month and start scaling your account to making 10K a month very, very, very quick. Because this one right here, again, is the only strategy you need. So make sure you watch this video to the end. The doctor spends 4 years in order to finally start making money, and you're not willing to watch this video for 10 minutes long, which will guarantee to make you a profitable trader in under a month. If you follow every little thing I say, then I don't know what to say to you. There's no hope for you. Watch this video all the way to the end so you understand every little thing I am saying throughout this video, because this one right here, I promise you, it will blow your mind of how profitable, how amazing this strategy is, because you can backtest it for yourself. I don't have to say much. After you backtest it for yourself, you'll see for yourself that this is incredible. Nobody has talked about this before except from ICT acknowledging the strategy himself. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight into how to trade this strategy right here. I would like to call this the golden bullet strategy because it's so incredible. It's nothing like the silver bullet, however it is on a different level. Okay, in some forms I really do think it's better than the silver bullet myself also. Okay, so anyway, what you're going to trade this strategy on is you're going to trade it on EURUSD and GBPUSD. I've tested it on SPX 500, I tested it on ES. However, I've seen that you go through periods of lossing. I have literally tested and eliminated some stuff for the strategy in order to make this the highest win rate for you possible. I've been testing this for months on months on months, and you can check for yourself, test it for yourself, and you'll see for yourself that this strategy is such a high win rate, and you will be mind blown. Okay, so I have literally processed and eliminated every little thing in order to make the win rate as high as possible. So that's why I'm telling you to stick to EURUSD and GBPUSD, and those two will make you the most profit for the strategy. And you have to be on UTC +1. If you're in New York time, you're going to have to wake up at 3 a.m. all the way to 5 a.m. I'm sorry if it's too early. However, that's what's going to lead to your freedom. Waking up that 2:55 a.m. in the morning and checking the markets. If it doesn't form what you want it to form, go back to sleep. However, if it does, trade for the day. And that's what will change your life right here. You're only trading 2 hours a day from 8 a.m. UK time all the way till 10 a.m. UK time. And this is the only 2 times you need, only 2 hours you need in order to reach that massive goals you want yourself. Okay, so 10 a.m. right here, 8 a.m. right here, sorry, all the way till 10 a.m. And these are the times that you're going to trade, 2 hours a day. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to do something incredible, which again nobody has talked about before. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to mark out 10 p.m. UK time. Why are you going to mark out 10 p.m. UK time? The reason why you're going to do this is because this is where Asia session opens, and from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. all the way till 8 a.m. sorry, so from 10 p.m. all the way till 8 a.m. you're going to check whether market was bullish or bearish. So let's just say market was bullish. So if market was bullish right here, then you're going to enter sells after 8 a.m. right there. Okay, however, what market can do is it can do something like this also. Okay, it can go a little bit down and then it can form a move up. Okay, however, what you're going to do in this case, and with every single case you take, is you're going to calculate from the opening price, so from 10 a.m. opening price all the way to the low, how many pips did it go down? It went down 6.6 pips. How many pips did it go up? It went 16 pips up. So that's way more than double. If it's more than double, then take the trade for the day, and that's completely fine. So that should mean that it's bullish for you. It went bearish 6 pips only, and it went bullish 16 pips. So that means it was bullish for Asia session. Okay, and that's literally how you do it right here. I would like to see at least double one of the numbers in order to go for that. So if it's bullish, you're going to enter bearishness after 8 o'clock. You're going to enter sells, and if it's bearish, you're going to enter buys after 8 o'clock. That's how it goes. Okay, so let's just say for this case it actually ends up going bearish. Okay, so it ends up going bearish for this case. Okay, so let's just do this, and same exact thing like I told you before to do. You're going to check how many pips it went down and how many pips it went up from the opening price. It went up 12 pips from opening price and it went down 26 pips. So that's way more than double. That means Asia session was bearish. So that means it should enter buys after 8 a.m. UK time. So what you're going to do in this case right here, after 8 a.m. UK time, you're going to wait for a liquidity sweep of any low. Or that's it. You're not going to look for a liquidity sweep of a high. You're not even going to look for a buy after you're not even going to look for a buy. You're only going to look you're not even going to look for buy side liquidity to be taken out. You're only going to look for buys. So you're going to look for sell side liquidity to be taken out, because Asia session was bearish, right? So now you're going to wait for some sort of liquidity to be taken out. A new low can form throughout this 8 a.m. range right here, so a low right here, price can take out the low right there, which is a liquidity takeout. As soon as it takes out the liquidity, you're going to wait for a certain pattern to form. However, it's not one of them easy ICT patterns. It's way more technical, so make sure you watch this video to the end, and make sure you watch it when I show you the 2 chart examples. The second one especially is where it will trick you guys out a lot. So right here, it takes out this liquidity, and then it forms a market structure shift. And then as soon as it forms a market structure shift, you're going to enter off the extreme FVG of the displacement leg. So let's just say this is the displacement leg. I'm going to show you what I mean by that. I'm going to show you the chart example, and then you're going to enter off the extreme FVG of the displacement leg, and where you're going to target is you're going to target the 15-minute highs right there, okay? And this is also the 1 minute time frame you're on right there. So that's how you enter the trade. Now let me show you the chart example, and this is what will trick most of you out a lot. So let's go straight into this. But before I carry on, I do want to say, if you want to join the mentorship and learn 2 better strategies than this, which will surely make you a profitable trader in under 30 days and make you scale to 10k a month under 3 months, join the mentorship today. It's $50 lifetime, and it will change your life. If you're not willing to invest $50 in yourself, I don't know what to say to you. $50 won't change my life. However, it will change your life more than someone who doesn't buy the mentorship, okay? It comes with a premium indicator, which 90% of the time tells you which way your learning session is going to go. One-to-one support whenever you need. Message me privately and I will respond to you. And it also comes with learn and earn, so you can learn and earn while I live trade in front of you 2 times a week minimum. And it's also an offer for $49.99 lifetime, and it's going back to its normal price of $100 a month if you don't join today. And I will be closing down the mentorship very soon, because it's such a big community we have right now, and it's an amazing community which I can fund as many traders as I want now, because there's so many people become profitable off this. 70% of the people who join the mentorship do actually become profitable, and the 30% they're new traders, or they just don't take it seriously. So join the mentorship today, and it will change your life more than someone who doesn't join the mentorship, okay? Offer ending very soon, and I am closing the mentorship very soon, and it will go back to its normal price. I can easily charge $400, $800 for the mentorship, but again, I want most people's life to be changed as possible. Here are some testimonials. You can read this all for yourself. We've got an incredible community going on right here, and you can check it all for yourself right there. I don't have to say much. My members can speak for themselves, okay? So that's literally that. Let me show you some Instagram testimonials. Here are some funded challenges which I have passed. Here is a £21,000 light payout which I got from ICT Markets, my broker right there. It's not my broker, it's just a broker which I use right here. Here are some more testimonials, and join the mentorship today, and I promise you it will change your life more than someone who doesn't join the mentorship right there, okay? And that's it from me, and let's go straight back into the chart example on EURUSD. So same exact thing like I told you before. You're going to trade from 8 a.m. UK time all the way till 10 a.m. UK time. And then you're also going to mark out 10 p.m. UK time, because this is where Asia open is. So from the opening price to the low, how many pips did it go down? It went down 4 pips. How many pips did it go up? It went up 19 pips. So that's clearly bullish. So now we're going to enter bearishness. We're going to enter sells after 8 a.m. UK time right here. So 8 a.m. right here, we're looking for a buy side liquidity sweep after 8 a.m. There's some liquidity right here. Now let's wait for a sweep. There you go, price swept the liquidity right there. Now we go down to the 1 minute time frame, and now we look for a market structure shift. So the low which formed before market took this liquidity right here was right over there. So we're looking for a market structure shift of that low. Now let's wait for that with some sort of this displacement. Okay, there you go. We had the market structure shift with displacement. So where's the displacement leg? The displacement leg is from here all the way to here. Why? It's because these candles is the one which led to breaking this low with such high pressure. So now what we do is we enter off the extreme FVG through this displacement leg, which is right over here. And where you're going to cover is you're going to cover the most recent high, which is right over there. So entry like this, stop loss above this high right over here. And you're going to take profit on 15-minute lows. 15-minute lows being right over there. And that's literally what you're going to do day in, day out, and almost every single day. This strategy can actually make you profit, okay? So let's do that. And let's see what happens. Price hasn't tapped off the entry yet. You have to be patient. And there you go. It tapped off the entry right there. You're not going to adjust your entry. You're not going to be like, no, I'm entering a trade off here. No. Stick to your entry. If it doesn't tap into your entry, it doesn't. If it does, it does. Okay? It's just basic psychology. You need to follow the psychology. And look at that. It taps into take profit. If you were to take profit a little bit lower than that, because once this strategy starts running, it starts running, because we use the daily power of 3, so the 10 p.m. all the way till 8 a.m. We use that in order to tell us which direction it's going to go. So usually if we're right about this direction, which we are 90% of the time, it will go in that direction. And look at that. It absolutely dropped right here all the way for about 20 RR. So now let me show you another example. And this example right here is the one which will trick many of you out. So make sure you watch this example carefully and closely, okay? So same exact thing right here. So we ask ourselves 8 a.m. UK time right here. And then we mark out 10 p.m. UK time, and was price bearish or bullish? So from the opening price, which was right over there, price went bearish about 2.9 pips, and it went bullish 36 pips. So that's clearly bullish. So now what are we looking for after 8 a.m.? We're looking for sales. We're looking for a breakout. No, we're looking for a liquidity sweep of a high to happen. So, yep, right here we got a new high formed. Why is this a new high? It's because the candle before it and after it didn't go above this high. That's literally a high and low for the strategy. So now we wait for a liquidity sweep of that high to happen. There you go. We took some liquidity off that high. As soon as we got that, we jumped down to the 1 minute time frame. Same exact thing. Where's the most recent low before price took out the liquidity? It was right over here. So now we look for a displacement of this low. There you go. Where's the displacement leg? From here to here, because these candles are the one which led to breaking this low, which is such high volatility. And now where's the extreme of this leg right here? It's right here. Okay, so this is the fair value gap which we're going to enter from, and the stop loss above the high of the displacement, or above the high. You can do that if you want, right there. And then where we're going to target is, again, we're going to target the 15-minute lows, which you can target right here, which is a very low RR. And as I told you before, if this strategy starts running, it starts running. So you can do something else in order to target your TP. You can target from the recent 15-minute lows right here all the way to here, and then get your 50% range out here. And then you can literally just do that in order to target your trade, which is basically 1 to 1.5 RR. It's completely fine, but let's see what happens right here. There you go, price tapped into our entry, little bit of drawdown, and there you go. That's how it works right there. Very nice strategy right here. But if you want to learn 2 better strategies than this, which will make you profitable, much higher chance, join the mentorship today. Link in the description below, and it will change your life. That's it from me. And if you don't see the mentorship, it's in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care, everyone.